you come in with a smile on this and a love in this. Hey, you want to tell you a secret about Anna Louise? Guess how she comes in?
With a smile on her face every morning. She
Every
greets me with
with
a
And
a
where
smile
smile.
else? And where else?
in her heart.
In her
And you
heart.
want to know
love in her heart.
why?
Why?
Because she chose it.
Yeah.
Yep.
She chose happy for nothing.
Yeah.
And she didn't get there freely.
Mhm.
We get there because we have a magical misery tour. We get there because somebody we love stole our innocence, destroyed our perception, hallucination of our identity. And at some point, you get to rebuild your own identity in your image and go, this is who I am.
Yeah.